Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive deep into the tools and technologies that empower your crypto journey. Today we are going to discuss some wallets. It's so important that you are safe for the next bull run to make sure that you can also keep your profits. So we are going to discuss some of the most popular cryptocurrency wallets. We have hard wallets, we have hot wallets, and I'm going to show you the pros and cons of each. We are going to discuss Grid, Ledger, Trezor, Rebby, and Phantom. We will explore what makes each one unique, and I will help you to make the best choice for your need. Let's get started. The first one we are going to discuss is Grid Plus. This wallet stands out for its advanced security measures utilizing hardware that can act like a personal blockchain node. Are you excited? Let's check out their website. Let's check out the website of Grid Plus. Let's discover the essential hard wallet for crypto native. We have two parts which we need to buy if we want to use Grid Plus. We have one screen, but we can have unlimited wallets. Check it out here. This is the part you need to have to access your cryptocurrencies. So we discover the two parts of Grid Plus. First of all, we have the card reader. We can have one screen and then we have our safeguards, and we can access our safeguards through this lattice one. The safeguards, we will find them right here. Let's check out which cryptocurrencies and which coins they actually support. As we can see here, you can use your lattice one from Grid Plus to securely connect to applications on any chain supported by MetaMask, seamlessly switch between networks, and use unlimited wallet addresses. Bitcoin is also supported, of course. We have the next generation hardware right here. The security is insane, but of course it's a little bit more expensive than, for example, a ledger. You have the possibility here to bring crypto wallets to real life. You can, of course, back your seed phrase up on a portable, but it's essential to mention that you can create and easily use unlimited wallets with additional safeguards. Store your crypto offline, but you can always take your safeguard with you and you have it on the go. Also, we have some very prominent users who love Grid Plus. If you want to know more about Grid Plus, make sure that you follow them on Twitter too, so that you will always stay up to date with their latest news. The next wallet we are going to discuss is again a cold wallet. It's probably the most known, and I'm sure that you have heard of it too. It's the Ledger. We are going to check out their website in a second, but first I want to discuss the advantages and the disadvantages of the Ledger cold wallet. One of the biggest advantages is the wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Also, they have the highly secure element chip that isolates private keys from your computer or smartphone. The disadvantage can be that it requires a physical connection or a Bluetooth connection, which might not be preferred by all users for security reasons. Now, let's check out their website and also see what kind of prices they offer. We are here in the Ledger shop. They offer three different hard wallets. We have the Ledger Nano S Plus, we have the Ledger Nano X, and we have a Duo. Very important, right now they have an amazing offer that you get $30 or $20 of Bitcoin if you buy a Ledger right now. I personally like the Ledger Nano X because you also have the possibility to connect via Bluetooth. The Ledger Nano S Plus only offers the physical connection with your computer. Check out their bundles and packages as well. So if you want to buy for yourself and your family and your friends, then it makes sense to save money here on the packages. Also make sure that you click on the link in the description below and that you use our code. I personally like Ledger the most, and that is because we have seen Ledger for a long time on the market. We trust Ledger, and we also have kind of a mid-range price product. So you can decide if you want to invest €79, 149 or 228 for two ledgers in the Duo. And I think it's a fair price, and also it's a very, very good product if you are looking for a hardware wallet. The next one we are going to discuss is Trezor. It's one of the pioneers in hardware wallet, offering great security and usability. It's actually the last hard wallet we are going to discuss here in this video. And at the end, we are jumping to two hot wallet. We have a user-friendly interface that is great for beginners, and also Trezor offers a highly secure environment for over 1,000 cryptocurrencies. The disadvantage is that we have no possibility to connect via Bluetooth, which could be a con for some users seeking wireless use. Also, this wallet seems to be more susceptible to physical damage than other hot wallets. Let's jump to their website and let's check out the price. We are here on the Trezor website. We can check out the different products right here. Similar to Ledger, which we saw before, we have 3 different opportunities, and also they offer a safeguard for your wealth. That means that you can keep your codes right here and safe in a metal box. Trezor is making crypto security easy. Why would you choose a hard wallet? That's very important to understand. Because on online exchanges, you don't truly own your own coins. They are always on the exchange. They can be frozen, they can go bankrupt, and so on. With Trezor, you can go offline. You will own 100% of your coins. Your wallet is 100% safe offline. And of course, your data is 100% anonymous. Right here, we see a picture how to use Trezor. It's also similar to the Ledger we saw right before. You can connect it very easily to your computer, and you have a very nice app and a dashboard where you can see your portfolio growing. Let's check out the devices they offer and compare them. We have 3 different price models, and you can choose which one is best for you. If you are a beginner and you have just a little bit, then maybe you choose the Trezor Model 1, or of course you can go to the more advanced ones. Very important to note here is they all have the PIN and passphrase enabled, and on top, we have the Secure Element Protected Certified Chip EAL6 Plus for the Trezor Safe 3. You can learn all about privacy and compare all different devices yourself just right here. Make sure you check out their website and also make sure to follow them on their socials to get the best infos. If you got some value already, please hit the like and subscribe button. Make sure that you follow the channel and that you ring the bell to never miss any information like this again. Guys, the bull run is just around the corner. We have 4 days left, and it's so important to make your cryptos safe. Now we're going to talk about our 2 web wallets. Rebby is a new player known for its integration with decentralized finance and Web3 applications. The advantage is that we have a seamless integration with multiple blockchain ecosystems directly through a browser extension. It's great for users who frequently interact with decentralized finance platforms. One of the disadvantages is that it's a new product and it might lack the proven track record of security that other hardware wallets have. It also depends on the browser security, which adds a layer of risk. But let's check out their website and let's check out what can you get out of Rebby. We are here on the Rebby wallet website. Check out their amazing dashboard and the application right here. If you interact with the decentralized finance space a lot, then Rebby might be for you. If you want to download Rebby, you can just do it right here via the download buttons. You can download it for Chrome, and of course, it's available for the mobile, Google Play, Android, or App Store. They also have a desktop application. If you want to use Rebby, make sure that you use our referral code to get an extra bonus just for you. So guys, last but not least, we are jumping to Phantom. This one is the last wallet we are going to discuss right here. I hope you enjoyed the value so far. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button right below the video. Phantom is already pretty popular among Solana users, but now it's expanding to support Ethereum and other blockchains. We have some advantages that Phantom offers, like the intuitive interface tailored for both beginners and experienced users. Also, we have the integration of NFTs and decentralized finance, offering in-wallet staking and token swapping. The disadvantage is that initially it was limited to the Solana ecosystem, which might be a drawback for those looking for multi-chain support out of the box. Also, it's a software wallet, which is inherently less secure against malware than hardware wallet. It's very important to notice that we want to have our crypto safe, but of course, if you use them a lot and if you swap here on this exchange and you want to buy, then please use Phantom. But if you use your cryptos a lot, it can also make sense to have it on a wallet like Phantom. Always make sure that you have a hard wallet to put your cryptos on if you want to just hold them. We are here right on their website. You can download it for your browser. For me, it's Brave. You can learn more about the security of Phantom. And of course, if we scroll down, we will see how it looks. It has a very nice user interface. It makes it super easy for beginners and experienced users to use your cryptos and also to showcase your NFT collection. It is a powerful tool made for everyone. If you want to know more about Phantom, make sure you follow their socials and that you sign up for the newsletter to stay always up to date. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope that you can have your favorite wallet right now. Please let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Make sure to get bonuses by using our codes. You will find them down here in the description box, and see you next time. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this video is for educational and informational purposes only.